When managing key accounts, one of the biggest challenges for relationship managers is shifting a client's perception away from having to reluctantly deal with salespeople to seeing you as an industry expert who can help them to analyse and solve problems. So many experienced buyers try to keep salespeople at arm's length, and they feel they already know enough about their business issues or the range of solutions available in the market. And that's why they rarely have time for catch-ups over coffee, and they may not see the value in meeting with sales reps who want to pick their brains or ask them what's keeping them up at night. So if you've experienced problems such as difficulty in gaining access to senior decision makers, or clients not understanding the differentiators or the unique value propositions of your solution, or even responding for quotes with commoditized solutions and profit margins that are dangerously thin, then this Insights workshop will help you to build and communicate new points of view that can lead decision makers to look at issues with a fresh set of eyes and consider some new alternatives. During the session, you'll learn how to combine market intelligence and product innovations to build credibility and initiate consultative conversations. Most importantly, we'll do all of this without the risk of damaging relationships by challenging decision makers with provocative and unhelpful approaches, such as, here's what you're doing wrong and here's why you need me to come and fix it. So the key components of this session include, how do we build market insights or solution insights that position you as an industry expert? How do we then earn the right to ask diagnostic questions that help us to understand our client's business and their issues at a deeper level? And then communicating these points in plain and simple language. So at the end of the Insights workshop, you'll walk away with the confidence and ability to use insights to generate new opportunities in your next client meeting.